Welcome back to another YINK software tutorial. Today, we're talking about the separation line function in V6.2, a new feature designed to make peeling film after cutting much easier. Instead of struggling to remove cut pieces, this function adds a separation line around your design, making the process quick and effortless. Let me show you how it works. How to use the separation line function. Step 1. Finish all edits. First, before applying this feature, make sure you've finalized your design and completed super nesting. This should always be the last step before cutting, so double-check everything before moving forward. Step 2. Select the shapes that need separation lines. Click on individual shapes with your left mouse button, or click and hold to drag a selection box around multiple shapes or the entire design. Important: if there are shapes that don't need this function, remove or delete them from the canvas before proceeding. Anything left on the canvas will be affected, and you don't want overlapping issues later. Step 3. Apply the separation line. Now, click the separation line button and a dialog box will pop up. Just hit continue, and that's it. The function is applied. Here's something to keep in mind. No matter where your shapes were before, after applying this function, they will automatically align to the bottom left corner of the canvas. Step 4. Review and cut. Once the separation lines are added, your design is ready for cutting. No more struggling to peel film. Just lift and go. Important reminders. This is the final step. Once you apply the separation line, you can't make further edits. The only thing left to do is cut. Make sure only the necessary shapes are on the canvas before applying this function. Anything left behind will be affected, which can lead to layout issues. And that's it. The separation line function is a simple but powerful tool that saves time and makes your workflow smoother. If you want to learn more ways to optimize your cutting process, check out our other YINK tutorials. Thanks for watching.